Nice and smooth. I agree, Aviation LA. I actually have one downloaded. I just have not added it to the soundboard. Ah, great memories there, Ramona. Hey, what's up, Louie? Welcome into San Francisco. And the Queen is on the roll. Oh, Uncle Car Guy's got a question. Hit me with it. The Queen off to Frankfurt. Yeah, we'll see. Flashy, but they got the job done. Plus, I think the customers for Envoy will like it a whole lot more because it's the 175 is much more comfortable than the 145, and I didn't like the jump seat on the 145. I'll just say that. Look at that beauty. Looks like it had just gotten out of the paint shop because it looks really beautiful and fresh. Au revoir. Welcome back. We're getting into the high rolling rainy Cajun. We just had the Queen take off. Lufthansa back to Frankfurt, and we have SAS arriving, I believe, from Copenhagen. But yeah, SAS is officially leaving Star Alliance and going to SkyTeam. What up, Joe? All right, okay, Aviation. See you later. Oh. Yeah, Dave, so in coordinating between Love and Dallas, there's about 10 nautical miles, and obviously there are certain airspace, so there are different classes of airspace, right? So you've got Class A, B, C, G. Airspace is where my weakness, but inside those airspaces, they either have to be controlled by ATC. Some airspaces require being controlled by ATC. And there's a lot of requirements. So that's the quick and dirty answer is there's certain, if you want to fly in airspace, in that crowded airspace, you have to have certain qualifications. You either have to be under a continuous ATC radar control, or you have to be at a certain off from DFW or taking off from Love. They have what's called a STAR or a SID. No, well, a STAR is for arrivals, but a SID is for departures. So it's a very delicate ballet, but in order to help keep airspace separate, the SID is one of the things they do for departures at both airports, DFW and Love Field. And then Also the stars. They're different stars. Which, hey, is a great tease on what I need to talk about for my next PIPS Institute of Plane Spotting class. So thank you, Dave. TFRs. And hey, there's, I believe, the bald eagle again. Back again. I took some photos of it when it was departing earlier today, and it's back. It is back in the saddle again. So this is awesome. Swiss Air looking fine with the 777. They may not use them a lot, but I loved using VORs, and they're still in use today. Are you kidding me? It's taking off from the one? Oh my gosh. Insanity. Oh my gosh. Are they sure about this? Well, there goes that 10,000 foot runway thing. This is insane. You're watching it right here on Pips Plane Spotting Live. This is insane. Unreal. Wow. I always say it. This is why you come plane spotting, because you never know what you're going to get. And something like that just does not happen. Wow. Are you kidding me? That I can be like a telestrator, like John Madden, except for aviation. So like I can scribble and write on the radar. San Francisco. Hope you tune in tomorrow for our bingo edition. You can still email me for your bingo. I may have to check that out. On Monday evening, I was going to go to, there's the, the seafood place. And I swear to you, they have the best lobster corn chowder I've ever tasted in my entire life. It is unreal. Another 777. Thank you, AJD, for your support. That was happening. Oh, Atlanta United sponsored by Delta, really? Turkish delight indeed. That blue is a great contrast, I'll tell you what. That sounds great, Fire Creeper. I'll have to book a flight. Maybe I can get some United miles or something. 101 officially. Awesome. Well, thanks everybody for liking and getting us over the 100 like mark. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's right, the 101 freeway behind. Bandit, you made it. You made it to San Francisco. Here's ITA taking off, headed back to Rome, Fiumicino. I've actually flown out of Roma. I see that fits right in with the sky. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate you. Yeah, we're on location in San Francisco. We typically, our home base is in, oh, we got a drag race. Here we go. Well, the United 737 and one right is smoking. Dang. He definitely wanted to be the first. Holy moly. Put on the gas just like that.
If I stay on this course, does that work for you?
Stick with me, ladies and germs. There's the blue stripes. The blue and white stripes.
Crossing runway 211, holding short runway 211. Left, please. Alright, one right, clear for takeoff. That was 682, thank you.
There it is. Rolling. Well, I guess you don't like the sun, man. No? There's the whale. Thanks, Marco. Bem-vindo a programa. Good one. Here it goes. Classic Pratt & Whitney engines, Tom. There it is. There is French B. Bonjour. Ah, c'est magnifique. Yeah, I will. Lots of moisturizer. We'll be streaming tomorrow, so thanks so much for your support, Rainy Cajun. Really appreciate you. We'll see you again. You got it, DW.
Goodbye, I'm full on Papa Super.
Awesome, Scott.
Tower Departure 5 to the limit tip.
Yes. Yes, Robert. Finally, I get some miles. Woo!
Departure at 2653.
Nice, man. Frankfurt. Yes. Ah, fantastique, Ed. Great to hear from you. Thanks for saying hi. My name's Pip. Welcome into Pip's Plane Spotting Live episode 1. That one's for you, Robin. Beautiful.